Hi, I'm Josh with Kona Search, and today I'm going to show you how you could use Kona Search to find the right candidate for the job in your ATS in Salesforce. So right now I'm on a job record. It's a simple job record. I have a title of data analyst, this job description, and some other fields. And what I'm going to show you is how you could use Kona Search to match candidates to the job. So finding the right candidates for this data analyst job quicker and easier. So I'm going to point your attention to this candidate match tab. If I click on this, this will load up a Kona search page, and it's taking the values from the job description, like the title, the skills, the desired salary, and using that to form a search query against the candidates in your Salesforce org. So I'm already presented with a list of candidates that could be a good fit. It's searching the resumes. So you can see here it's highlighting statistical analysis, data analyst, SQL, Excel. It's getting all that from the job description. And then we're also searching the structured fields on the candidate record. So we're searching the fields in Salesforce as well as the attachments, and that could be PDF, it could be an image, we could OCR. So that way we're searching both the resume along with the fields in Salesforce, so you get the right candidates for the job. We're searching all the information that you have about them. So the relevancy or the candidates that are at the top will be the best fit based off of the content of the resumes along with what's in Salesforce. So I'm a recruiter. I've just been presented with 161 candidates that are a good fit for the job. Say I want to narrow down the results a little bit and use the search bar to filter down to find the right candidates that I want to add to this job. So I actually have a saved query to make this easier. So I have the saved query here. So this way you don't have to rewrite your queries every time. You can save them and they can be shared with the team. So in this query, I have statistical analysis within 10 words of data analyst. Say I really value statistical analysis within the resume. I'm looking for candidates of a primary level and that are within 20 miles of Boston. So now I'm presented with 54 candidates that could be a good fit based off of what's in my Salesforce org. And say I like these top three. These buttons allow you to launch any flow in Salesforce. So say you want to add them to a job order or add them to a hot list or to a pipeline. There's a lot of flexibility in what we could do with this. One thing I also just wanted to quickly point out, you can open up the resume if you want to see it to get more information from it. That's a bit how you could use Kona Search to find candidates for the job. All this is fully customizable, so these filters, facets, and columns, these are all just based off of fields on the candidate record and any related objects to the candidate object. So in this case, we have a skills object and a job history object, and we're including those within the search columns and filters. Another thing I wanted to highlight is that it doesn't have to sit as an inner tab. If you see here, I have this candidate match button. If I click that, it'll navigate me to the same search page and do the same pre-populating of the search query based off of the job record. So here it took the job record information and using that to form a query against the candidates. So same as before, and then once I've narrowed it down, I could just click this hyperlink to go back to the job. So there's a lot of flexibility in how this could look. It can also just be its own dedicated search page that's not integrated into the workflow, but we wanted to show that it could be seamless with the way that you run your workflow. Really quick, I'll just show that we could search in both directions. So right now I'm on a contact record. I have this job match enter tab, and in this case I'm matching jobs to candidates. So it's searching the job descriptions and comparing those to the resumes, and then you have a match of good jobs for this specific candidate. So we'd love to meet with you. We do a free pilot where we get to know your business process. We create a free search page. Kona Search is very easy to install. It could be installed and configured within 20 minutes. Then we do a free pilot. That way you can see how Kona Search would work in your org, on your data. And then after that, you can make a decision. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.